The AE-MC12N Meat Cutter is a very useful and efficient tool for the fast pace in today's professional kitchen that can save you a lot of time and money. At American Eagle, we understand that sometimes equipment can get damaged, so it's important that you can quickly and easily fix the machine to keep your kitchen running smoothly and avoid downtime. Today we're going to demonstrate how quick and easy it is to replace a broken or dull blade on an AE-MC12NH meat cutter head. First, you're going to need a few tools to do the repair. A pair of protective gloves, an adjustable wrench, C-clip pliers, and a vise. You might also need a box end wrench and a bearing puller. First thing that you're going to need to do is disassemble the machine, but first make sure the machine is unplugged before removing the attachment. Disassemble the attachment piece by piece until you get to the shafts with the broken blades. Carefully remove the damaged shaft you need, placing it squarely into a vise. Using a vise to secure the shaft that requires a new blade, it's very important that the blades remain stable as you are working with them. The meat cutter blades are extremely sharp and can easily cause injury. First, you need to remove the C-clip with the C-clip pliers. Next, remove the ball bearings on top of the shaft. Most of the time, you should have no problem removing the ball bearings with your hand. If you find it's hard to remove, use the bearing puller and a box end wrench mentioned earlier. Finally, you need to remove the nut that holds all the blades tightly together. Once this is completed, you'll be able to remove all the spacers and the blades necessary to complete the repair. Make sure that the bevel of the blades are all facing the correct direction when installing the new blades. If the blades are not oriented correctly, the meat cutter will not make clean cuts and can possibly cause damage to the machine. In reverse order, place all pieces that were previously removed. Depending upon the condition, you may need to replace the C-type snap ring with a new snap ring. Once the shaft is reassembled, replace it into the meat cutter head. If you're uncertain how to place the assembled shaft back into the meat cutter head, please take a look at our meat cutter cleaning demonstration in the description below. This has been an American Eagle food machinery demonstration. Thank you for watching.